G'day YouTube, Joby from Oz here. Just a really quick one here, another tool time. On the left hand side you can see the Multimax C-clamps that I picked up for me. We've got 300 by 400, two of, and a 400 by 500. Complete sets, including this one's got an interesting arrangement. There's 3 sleeves, a 25mm and 50mm. So depending on which side of the anvil you place those, you get your 75mm and your 300 to 400 in 0.01. These ones are a more conventional design. A slightly bigger box in which you actually have a removable anvil, and they came complete with the anvil removal tools. Some collars to hold the standard in place whilst you test the calibration, and onwards and upwards. So that was a pretty good score. I think they were about $30 each, which is crazy money. So yesterday I went past Cranky Frankie to pick up a box of stuff that Greg from the shed left there. And I've been on at Frank for a while for these. These are Eclipse 212, but they've been boogered up pretty bad. They'll need some surface grinding to bring them back into spec. That's all right, we'll get there. We've got a surface grinder, and this will be one of the projects we use to get up to speed. You know, there's all sorts of crap happened here. That's apprentice marks galore. Alright, so that was that, and I went there also to pick up a 0.5 to 1.5 inch micrometer that Frank had, but I thought he was after 50, but he turns out he wanted 100 for that, and he was probably going to keep it anyway, so decided against grabbing that. And then I asked him about drill bits, because I was able to get letter and number drills from him previously at a reasonable price. And then we looked, and I've ended up with what looks like a new set of 6 to 10 by 0.1mm. I might have used this set once or twice. There's a couple that look like they've had a bit of use. And this is 1 to 5.9 by 0.1s. So I finally got a set of drill bits in a metric range, which is really fucking awesome. Earlier in the day I'd gone to the flea markets and I found this. Wasn't really sure what it was, but I figured I could make some sort of a jig clamp or some sort of a grinding fixture or something. It's got an interesting sort of positional tooth there, so you can index that around at different degrees, and it's quite a fine casting. It's a Japanese made item, and I really wasn't too sure what it was, but still that's going to hold pretty nicely, I reckon. Turns out Tama make drums, so it's an arrangement to suit a drum kit holding up some cymbals or something. So I'm sure anybody who plays drums would be able to tell me straight away how cool this is, or how boring and ordinary it is in a drum kit. But for my use, possibly a bench vice end stop, or as I say, a grinding fixture where I can mount something on a swivel and adjust the angle and all that. That looks pretty cool. Got that for $5, so that was my expenses for the day. As I was on the way out from Frankie, he's like, well, what about this? I'm like, nah, Frank, don't have any money left. He says, have a look anyway. And turns out we've got a set of brand new in box parallels. Vertex 824 by 100. The rest of these are all Vertex. The other still in there in the oil wrap. So yeah, when he offered those to me at the price he offered it to me at, I couldn't say no. That's about 40 freedom dollars there. And then he's like, well, what about this then? I'm like, oh, Frank, come on, what are you doing to me, mate? Set of adjustable reamers all the way from 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inch. So again, what do you say? And then he told me a price and I just couldn't say no. That's just crazy money. So they followed me home as well. In amongst my finds, ended up with a stack of, this is a 0 to 2 more and right. One to 2 436 Starrett. There's a couple of those. A set of toolkit, impulse release. I have no idea what these do, but Bruce didn't seem to sound very happy about them. Another 0 to 2, more and right, this time without the 1 inch anvil, which you see in that box. Nine to 18, more and right, internal diameter mic. So I finally got one of those. 3 thou positive at 9 inch. And last but not least, a 2 to 6 inch more and right with all the anvils, and I think I'm missing the 2 inch standard, but I think I paid $12 for that. Can't argue. There you go, that's what I ended up with. A bit of horse trading with Mel and Bruce, and they argued amongst themselves. Included in the power was a 16-inch 3-jaw toss chuck D18. I think Dad paid $70 for that, amongst all the other bits and pieces with the steadies. All sorts of crazy, weird and wonderful stuff. But anyway, that's the haul that I've managed to score there, which I'm pretty happy with. I think you agree. Not bad for, well, not a lot of money. Catch you next time. Bye.